If you have a Blackmagic Pocket Camera, you need to update it right now. Blackmagic just released a new update with one main feature that I personally never want to miss again. It's for all the Blackmagic Pocket cameras, so it's working with the 4K, the 6K, the 6K Pro and also the new 6K cinema camera. You can update your camera by just downloading the installer from the website. So you go to blackmagicdesign.com/support. Then you scroll down and on the latest downloads you will find Blackmagic Camera 8.6 Public Beta. So now you're going to choose your operating system and click Download Only. After unzipping, you need to install the Blackmagic Camera utility first. After that, you just connect your camera to your computer via USB-C and you're all set. One important thing here, it's recommended that you remove all electronic accessories from the camera like SSD, SD cards, electronic speed boosters, power supply, etc. Just strip down everything so you're safe. Even though updating the camera is pretty fast, make sure your internal battery is charged so it will not turn off during the update, which could damage your camera. Also, make sure to export your custom settings and LUTs because it could get lost while updating. Then connect your camera to your computer and the software will automatically detect it and asks if you want to update. Click Update and let it do its thing. After 2 minutes, it's done and you can disconnect the camera and you have successfully updated your camera to 8.6. So what's new here? When you first start your camera, you need to select the language. I choose English and then at first glance, everything looks the same. But if you go to the Setup menu, on the second page, you can see a new slider that you can turn on and off. With it, now you are able to use your Blackmagic Pocket as a webcam. It's plug and play, it works with Mac and Windows and it's pretty easy to use. I personally don't really need this feature, but I guess there will be a use case for it. But there's more, and that's definitely something that is a game changer. When you hit the replay button, you can see this new little window here in the upper left corner. If you tap on the left arrow, a new menu opens up, and that's just awesome. Because now you can see all of your clips that you recorded. So I can just tap on any clip that I want to replay and hit play, and it will replay this exact clip. That's awesome. With this new menu, it's so much easier to find a clip that you want to replay. Imagine you're in a production and the director says, "Can we get a replay of that certain take that we shot 3 hours ago?" With the old replay menu, that would be horrible to find. But now all you need to do is go to the new replay menu, find the clip and hit play. You can even filter and sort the clips by date, time, codec, resolution, frame rate and so on, which makes finding clips very easy. Another new feature, which I personally think is a little bit dangerous to use, is that you can select now multiple clips and delete them directly on your camera. For me, deleting clips on set is something that a DP or videographer should never do. I think the editor should decide if clips get deleted, but you can do that now with a new update and I'm pretty sure people will use this feature. And there's also the ability now to connect your camera via hotspot to the Blackmagic Cloud, so you can upload your clips right from your camera to the cloud and your editor can start editing immediately, which is in theory an awesome feature. I'm living in Berlin, so my mobile data crawls at the pace of a snail. Probably in your country this might work.